Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever needed to change a page link or send visitors from one URL to another in WordPress, this video is exactly what you need. Today, I'll show you how to redirect a URL in WordPress quickly, easily, and without any confusion. By the end of this video, you'll be able to set up a redirect in just a couple of minutes, even if you're brand new to WordPress. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser and head over to your WordPress login page. Once you're there, click on Login, and if you prefer, you can use the Continue with Google option to sign in instantly. It's faster and saves you from typing your credentials. After you've logged in, you'll be taken to your WordPress dashboard. Here, look for the Quick Links section and click on Edit Site. This will open up the WordPress site editor where you can make all your changes and updates. Now, inside the editor, locate the text or button that you want to use as a redirect link. Highlight that text and then look for the link icon in the toolbar. It usually looks like a small chain link. Click on that icon and a field will appear asking for a URL. Here's where the magic happens. Paste the new URL, the one you want your visitors to be redirected to. Double check the link to make sure it's correct and clean. No typos or extra spaces. Once you've added the URL, click Apply or Save, and that's it. You've just created a working redirect link in WordPress. Whenever someone clicks that text or button, they'll be automatically sent to the new page. Smooth, fast, and completely seamless. This simple method keeps your site's navigation organized, ensures old links don't break, and helps your visitors always land in the right place, which is great for both user experience and SEO. And there you have it. Your fast and easy URL redirect setup in WordPress for 2025. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe for more WordPress tips, and let me know in the comments what other tutorials you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.